B01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Mic check.
Yeah.
Yes. You got it. Yes. Thank you. I want to hear somebody. I don't want to play, you know, Lost and all that. I'm with you guys though. I'm gonna back you up for sure. One guy. Another. Oh. Champ, my partner. And fuck that dude. I'm jumping on.
Hostile UAV in the area.
If you need support, call. Let's work together.
There should be one more over there, I think.
Copy that. Over there with you. Aerial movement. Moving into the scabby. Moving into the scabby, sir.
Yep, I'm coming your way.
Let's go over our loady, please. Let's go over our loady, please. Loady. Buy station on us.
Hey, if y'all
Buy
need money,
station on us.
If y'all need money, I'll drop it.
We need it.
Oh, here. Not realize I picked that back up. You got it, alright.
Let me check my saving.
The squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Oh yeah. This is the best setting. This is the best setting I got. Ooh.
Oh yes.
Hostile airstrike incoming.
Oh, airstrike! Real people shooting at us. They got eyes on us. They got eyes on us, y'all. Oh. Throw off! Smoke on me! Let's move. Right here on us. I don't know. I think the real people were running straight to them. I don't know. Let's
I need
go.
plates.
Alright, you need plates, partner. I got you. There. Get some. Stop playing with me, bro. I'm not the guy that's gonna die so easy. Yeah.
Coming up behind you.
Probably that 052. You're moving in. One down, 052. Another one in the building. Remember to armor up, sir. Hey, I'm coming in hot behind that motherfucker. Oh, I gotta open this safe. Woo, I open a safe, y'all. Who are you shooting at? Please mark.
He's dead.
Alright, sorry that.
They were over there.
There's one running to the other box station and these ghouls. Whatever you want.
Oh! That's right.
He's down.
That's right. That's good job. Good job. Zero 52, stay together, please. We're in the super store.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They got the UAV popping. I got codes. Alright, let's go for UAV, y'all. Go for UAV. Let's pop them out. Give me your money. Give me your money, Blue.
Setting waypoint.
Thank you. Alright, I'm going for UAV. We're gonna seek them. Alright. UAV popping. Oh, right there, right there. Coming in, coming in, coming in. Nice. Alright, we gotta go closer. It's right here. Let's go, let's go. Yellow, you got it?
Grab us another UAV.
Alright. That's what's up. Wait till that shit ran out and then you drop that. Yeah, you're running on the field.
He's cracked. Down.
Motherfucker out of this world.
Back on, I need eyes overhead.
Alright, nice, perfect. We are moving in. We got individual right there. Oh shit. Real people coming in on the car. Alright, I gotta kill this fucker. It feels like you're a real guy there.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Cracked him.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
Wait, why did I drop my loadout gun?
Dominating with y'all.
They're all coming in here.
I'll be that.
Could get my car 98 loadout, but
Kilo is really good right now, y'all.
Enemy UAV
I'm on the
overhead.
loadout.
Oh, yeah.
I'm on the free loadout right now. Oh, the Kilo is going crazy. Hey, little kid, you want to try my Kilo?
I already got a kilo.
Look at it, bro. That shit is 100 clip. It's alright. Oh, real people.
He's broke.
Pick me up real quick. Oh, no.
Whoa,
Don't pick
whoa.
me up.
Jumped
Run
out.
away. They're here. The whole squad. I'm What shot was it?
Whoa, they see me, they see me, they see me, they see me.
Earn redeployment or die trying.
I'm dead.
Well, I'm going back.
I'm running. One's coming up, one's coming up.
Copy that. I'm going
Yeah, one's broke down there.
Dead. Oh, yeah,
There
I'm
was
shaking
3
out.
of them.
Alright, where? Beat it. I'm outside.
They were down
copy
below
that.
the stairs here, but I don't know where they
Here! Here, one shot! I swear to God, one shot. Fuck! How the fuck I
Where's he
missed
at?
that shot? Oh my God. I just
Where's he
sniped
at? I really do not see this kid. They're dropping in on the top. One by one. One by one. Green, come over here. You gotta kill them one by one. Each and every time they come in here.
Please release me, let me play.
Needed armor.
No, I'm not leaving this building. Where are you going, Yellow? This kid has snipers. Alright, we're good. No one's here. They left. We're good. Green and yellow, we're good. They left. Yeah, they left the whole room. They're nowhere close. Whoa, someone's sniping. Someone's sniping. Someone's sniping.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
No! You have to come get us. You hit first.
Setting waypoint.
He moved places, he moved spots. He's on top of the roof. Bro, Yellow, what are you doing? Broke his shield, I broke his shield.
But it has a recon drone.
I need armor plates. I need plates. Like bad. But only two. You got plates
No, I don't.
right here. I need car 98 for this sniper, bro. I don't even have a sniper.
Subjects front.
Your squad pays for your release. Get ready to redeploy. Got gas inbound.
Pick me up, I'm back!
Where's he at?
Pick me up, I'm back!
There you go. Good as new.
Thank you. You guys are a dude.
Welcome back. We got somebody flying in
bro,
on
you
us.
got like 13 kills or something? Bro, where's the loadout truck? No more?
No, I'm
Oh,
about to drop.
shoot,
I'm about to drop a load out there.
Alright, thank you.
You good, Yellow? Hold on. Where you at?
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
There you go, Purple.
Thank you.
They just all the fuck around us, ain't they?
Requesting recon above. Got some loot here.
And who needs a C9? There's the best C9 right here. You cannot do nothing, bro.
Where?
One's coming behind us.
Oh, I see.
Some over here.
Where is that? Even though you wanna go up?
Oh, Purple,
Oh.
someone's in there. Purple, I see someone fly. Someone's in there.
Enemy UAV is online.
Someone's in there.
Alright, copy that.
The yellow team dominating inside that game.
Oh, those are real people. Oh, I killed. Oh, I killed those two real people, bro.
Hell yeah.
This says somebody's behind us. No, it did to die. Yeah, that's some lucky shit. They could have killed me so easily.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Gas is closing
Oh,
in.
that's a real
Relocate
guy.
to
I
safe zone.
think so. Maybe. I don't know.
Everyone has
No,
kilo
that's a
loadouts.
bot.
Everybody's using kilo loadouts, I swear. I've seen like 5 kilo loadouts already.
Hell yeah. Loadout is the best kilo right now.
That's only my 10th kill, come on, bro. They at least need to get 15.
Yeah. I need to land. Oh shit.
Whoa, I see him.
Cover him. I'm coming.
He sniped me.
Well, I got a lot of money from the real people. Yeah, I can buy you if you have problems.
He's trying, he keeps...
Go!
Get to the safe zone. We've got gas moving
He's
in.
pushing though.
Mercy. I'm buying UAV
Right there.
for sure.
Tell me you got him.
UAV for sure. Come guys, get your kill streak. I buy another free one.
Oh, yep, he's right there.
Get that. There's a real kill streak right there on the buy station.
You gonna buy me back real quick?
What?
Yeah. Wait.
Oh shit. Yeah,
That
Lamar
dude got me.
We gotta move fast. We're gonna get close. Oh, real people over there on the hill. I'm sending it. Push.
Push him.
I'm sending it.
Just start weaving bullets.
Wow.
Yeah, he running.
Oh yeah, send the UAV.
One is right here.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
I placed a... I might make it out of here. Nope.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Those are real people on
Cracked
top.
him? Not cracked, my bad.
He cracked.
Either. Oh no, he went.
Hey, they're in front. Let's stay here for a while. They're gonna meet each other up there.
Oh, I
They're
see
gonna
two.
end
I
up
see
fighting.
two.
Yeah, I see only 2, so we'll be alright. Let them stand there.
Buck on shield.
Advised. You still have squad mates
Hold on.
outside
Why
the
did I
safe
not
zone.
bring my sniper? I need that. Gus is in my way.
Nice. Are you pushing?
Downed
Fuck.
one. Holy.
Alright, I'm moving
One
with
downed.
you. Lamar, heal up, please.
FPP and I'm thinking with baby Parker blood with racist.
Yeah, he's
I got
dead. Yeah, he's dead.
big blood
I got
on the
him, I
side
got
that
him.
said racist.
I cracked this shield. Oh, they're shooting people.
Oh, one
He got a
down.
hand down on his shit. He's either got a
Whoa! No, bro. Whoa.
I got both of them.
Gas is closing in.
Sniper still.
Yeah, there's a sniper up there.
Here's the last guy.
Ah! You mad? You talk
I only got 12 kills this game, bro.
Nice, y'all. Man, I'll fuck him up. That guy talk shit.
Hey, y'all trying to play again?
Yes.
I'll run it back.
Yep.
Ugh.
King Spice. Da 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 da. Do it again with the squat. One more, one more. Somebody never press it.
Who ain't put? Oh, Kings underscore spicy. Play again. Good.
What? La more young. Woo!
Use this time for some target practice. Real things come soon.
We got a new fella. Yellow's a new fella. No, bro, he's just in that big.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Battle Royale. Got gas closing in fast. Some time for the playtime.
Yellow ain't gonna drop out. Adamson, but
That one might be a little too far out there.
Fuck. I'll be there. Oh, only 3 of us made it?
yeah, the other kid left.
So the other 2 left. No, only 1 left.
Only one left. I'm still here.
Yeah, I'm still here.
More drop
Yeah,
to.
I'm going in. Let's go over there. Wherever you guys spin.
Ow.
Here's my car. My pikey pika. Yo, if you use tactic on your controller, it's gonna be running smooth. This is my first time using tactic, and it is so nice.
Supply box down. 2 remain.
On the movement, but the shooting is not that good.
Airstrike standing by.
Or put it next to you.
No, I'm going into you.
Shot missed. No join.
As soon as he gets that last one, I'm gonna hit this bounty.
Y'all can't get it.
What are you shooting me for? Hey, what are you shooting me for?
The building's closed. I can't get in.
What about the tall building behind it? Can you use that one to jump? Well, not there. That one to jump down on it?
Damn, that guy shooting me far away.
Wait, never mind. I got on these.
Oh.
2 supply boxes secured. 1 remaining.
I'm going for the third.
I'm gonna run
My neck.
Contract complete. All supply boxes secured.
Somebody's shooting me far, far, far away. I have to get down there. Get your raggedy ass down. Stop playing with me.
Wait, buy loadout. Wait.
I can't. I need a little bit of your money. Oh, you done bought in? Alright, here I go.
Where did it hit my head? Okay. Go and eat your sausage. Eggs, bacon, good sausage. Oh, my bad, Blue.
Oh, somebody's following you guys, bro. 2.
My back is stuck to my chair.
There's real people here.
That one right there.
Oh no, that's wrong. That's not real people, bro.
That one's dead.
Yo, Blue, what kind of gun do you have in your hand?
The one I just killed him with was the kilo.
Yes.
Yeah, the kilo is real, bro. I swear to you.
Other than that, I
got
usually
one of my
rock the
kilo
HDR.
left.
Yeah,
My
kilo and
kilo left, I'm like-
HDR is pretty nice.
That is not the kilo.
mean, maybe a kilo on the store. My
Kilo.
kilo is a regular one.
That is a
Yes,
custom
that's-
kilo.
Yeah, that's whatever.
It's not one from the store. It's one I created myself.
Oh,
Perfect shotgun.
Draw conversion kit. That'll work nice.
boom.
I used to rock the graw a lot. So
Yeah, I missed the crawl.
once I unlock this conversion kit, I'll be happy.
Did the crawl is here now?
It's the 556 with the graw conversion kit.
Oh, that's a real guy. What? Oh no. That's real? Yeah, he's a real guy. He got an ammo box or something.
Yeah, I gotta get it first. How are y'all finding more kids, dude? Not
Cause
finding no one.
you gotta fix your audio.
Loadout drop.
I just hearing footstep, and I go for it.
Gas is moving in. Use
Just
safe
take
zone.
out all the music, all the other stuff. Yeah.
Make sure you got bass boost on.
Yeah. Now it seems like we're gonna go left all the way till the end of the.
Wait, was this my loadout, Kilo? Let me check. This your loadout, Kilo. Where's my loadout?
I forgot.
Is this a real person or
Where's
what?
my
Is this
kilo?
real?
Right there.
Fuck you, bro.
Your Kilo. Wait, that's not the. Where is your Kilo?
I got it.
Guy acting suspicious. He's a bot!
Sneaking on me.
Let's go over it!
I was people over.
Eh? Come, my queen nose. Come. Come. Come, my queen nose. Hurry, hurry. Come. Come. My queen nose. Yes! Oh, please, please, please. Glade. Glade. Come. Get in.
Head to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
What? Wait, I wanna win. I wanna win again. Again? Go eat with
Real
me.
kid, real kid.
Real kid or not, he's dead. That one's down.
Alright. Remember, the gas is coming though. I mean, it's right here. It's ain't right here. Why a bot wanna go far away and land it?
That wasn't a bot that I just hit. He gave up immediately.
No, I'm talking about this one. This guy right next to me. I say, why he really come all the way here by himself?
Oh, the bots are stupid half the time. Yeah,
He's always
bud.
have to, he's always
Sorry, didn't mean to
nice
take your kill there.
Have fucking bots.
Not-
man.
Okay.
I am still trying to level this kilo up though.
Yeah, my kilo is maxed out.
My Kilo's level 15, I think.
Hmm.
Oh, you got long, like halfway or something. Almost halfway. That'd be level 42 or something.
Vámonos, boo. Vámonos.
What's up, Chad? We just won our last one. Who the fuck bot's gonna come all the way up here?
These bots.
Why did you come all the way here if you're a bot, bro?
I leveled up my kilo.
Yo, how the fuck you got clusters? Is that a real person? Alright, I'm gonna save my cluster. I mean, we're rich. What the fuck? We're rich. Look, we got like, what? We got like all the money, what? Right.
I see there's 3 kids over here.
Oh, they're coming straight towards us.
One down.
Yeah, maybe you're
We're gonna reload.
on the bottom.
2 down.
Go ahead and finish that one for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright,
It's bad that my HDR is level 17 and I ain't even unlocked it.
Yeah, I ain't get my
My car 98. Go ahead and talk
unlock
about
my
it.
HDR. What am I doing?
I'm just
My
waiting
car
on the battle
98
pass tiers to
level-
go up.
My car 98 is at level 5 and I still haven't unlocked it.
I'm just gonna use the car 98 for now.
We need. Is it
Let
good?
me more.
It's not. I got customers too. Go. I am Luigi. Yoshi.
Yeah, my fault.
Fucking run from me. Get your ass back here.
No
Damn.
one behind.
A bot really wanna come over here or a real guy?
He thought he could escape that.
I'm ready to go up there and look down and snipe them. I'm getting close to someone.
Check your map. I've marked a point containing enemy intel nearby. Capture it for information on the next gas spread. Enemy soldier incoming.
We.
Get a UAV on grid.
Going after that one.
Oh my god. Oh shit, there's more. What? Oh. Oh, that's a real person. He's hiding all the way at the ocean, right?
He ain't hiding there no more. That was a headshot, and he didn't even see it coming. Oh wait, there's one on this side too?
I'm talking about the one over here.
Oh no, I hit one on the other side like that. Here, let me get another UAV.
Even now.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy UAV too.
Got one right by that house too.
I just passed through. That's definitely a bot.
Oh,
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
All
there.
these bots.
Fire sale
I'm
is
there.
active.
I see
Buy
him.
station
No.
prices are adjusted.
Come.
He's running.
He ain't running no more.
He's sitting.
Hey,
Instead of running, he laying.
Shot me far away.
Dead.
That's the guy.
Thank you, because he was actually hitting me.
For some reason, they be have all that ammo. I mean, not ammo. Aim.
Oh, a
Another
fire cell.
UAV. Oh, I
Go
didn't
grab.
realize that fire shows up.
Another UAV.
Move to the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Get a UAV on grid.
Make sure you get your free self-revive.
Yeah, I
No
already got
people
mine.
on me, chopper.
Keep it outside doing some with it. I don't dance. I started it. I got this running across the road. About to get him.
People on me. Real people.
Why'd I go mustache? Sit down.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices.
That's negative. Better switch it full.
Time to play 5 seconds.
LDBR inbound.
They're on the fire station. Real people.
I got a UAV.
Outside, you lost the intel.
Real people on me.
I'm going for this one.
I'm coming to you guys.
My back is stuck to my chair. My UAV down here. He's shooting me. He's shooting me.
Oh shoot. Yeah, that's a real guy.
Gulag locked down. Area's clear.
He's using a crown and I kill him. You thought I was a bot.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Purple blue.
I can't really say
What's all?
Remember, real people in the area.
I got grenaded.
Don't use it.
I didn't get time to use it. Loki? Yeah, I might keep this. I drop my kilo. Who wants my kilo?
Get to the safe zone.
I got a kilo too.
Gas is moving.
Whoa, oh, I see there's a whole nother kid.
Get out of there, moving in.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Another kilo. Everybody, no, if I die, I swear to God, I'm gonna be so mad.
Real people on me.
He's just calling on the link.
Keep the pressure on.
Kilo level 20. Come on now.
Get an LDBR on my mark.
Whoa. Oh. Hey. Hey. See you. Eh. My teammate killed you. Sit down. Yeah.
Oh, that's a real guy. What the fuck? Oh!
Down one up there.
Gas is moving in. Use the safe
If you
zone
got
to take-
anything to hit up there, hit it.
Don't. I'm camping right here.
Setting waypoint.
One in that window.
Yeah, right there. I killed one of them. Oh, yeah.
Whoa, he's on top of the building sniping.
Yeah, I'm trying to get him.
I did not see him. So I peeked out that door. Whoa.
Just got it. You
That's
just
a
got
good
it.
aim.
He's down.
He's gonna res back. If someone's gonna res him,
Losing ground. Moving.
or he's gonna res himself.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's kind of scary, you know.
Enemy!
I need another plate.
I can do this all day, y'all.
Enemy!
He's dead. Where's the last?
There's
Wait.
two.
I mean,
Marking new safe
4.
zone.
Man, there's two on that roof. So there's one more on that roof.
I need plates.
Got 4 remaining. Stay sharp.
No, no, make it. Make it. My gas mask. Please don't break. Please don't break, gas mask. Please don't break. Please don't break on me, please. Don't break, don't break, don't break. I need you. Yeah, I broke. Whoa.
Cars on the roof.
I need plates. Oh, never mind.
Taking fire!
Don't let him finish.
No, he's one. He's one. He's one. He's one. I promise you, he's one. He had a model L. There is no way he's killing me with that.
I'm hit!
Oh,
Mine. Think there's another one?
there's 2.
No, I was hoping he'd think one. There was another one.
There was one in the building and one beside.
Did you win that? Oh no, that's flat forever.
No.
It's okay. We almost.
GG's.
Gee, y'all. You guys are the real ones. Ah! 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 Oh. Yeah!
It's magic.
Not matching. It's your hair. I see. No, put it on this. I still standing there. I wanna fart. Oh. So please don't, I don't wanna go and fart. Leave me alone. I don't wanna fart. Leave me alone. I don't wanna fart. Ooh, I wanna fart. Oh. Yeah. You get scared, bro. Yeah, wala ni Kia. Ang gulo na get. Paper suit on. Thanks, Jose. Kasi si Nerd. Tired. Lang yung tati pa. Pascal. I have a beautiful cousin coming. Nagdi mayog yung hashtag yung lala. Kajat na rin mo. Kung pa yung tayo siya. Then you can check it. Marana for see it. Pero ay, hindi alam ta. What are you waiting? You wanna do special thing every day? Kaya hard pa kaya ba bilal siya jagata ba. Hey, it's your job to close this cause what? They're not the ones who's supposed to go and do it. Nga York pa na ng I outbound truck LTLP girl. I think York no. Alright, all the food ballots, put it on my name. Hey, there's no position for that. Hey, I verified for the tour. So that's what I'm gonna do all day today, okay? Just give me all the food ballots order on the LTL and I could pick all of them all day. That's what I'm gonna do all day. And then report, you think I can do it. Mama nga not what was it? Look at that.